Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by adding the Facebook pixel to your site and defining the events you care about. Install via Google Tag Manager or paste the header snippet, then verify with the pixel helper. Once done, configure page view, view content, and purchase events so you capture behavior. Make sure event parameters like value and currency are consistent. Now that data flows, you can build audiences from those events and move immediately into audience creation in Ads Manager. You'll now assemble the retargeting audiences and the ads they'll see. In Ads Manager, create custom audiences using specific event triggers or URL contains rules for product pages. Use multiple retention windows, 7, 30, and 180 days, to segment intent. Once audiences exist, design creative that matches intent. Dynamic product ads for recent viewers, discount offers for older prospects. Make sure placements and copy align with each segment, and link the right creative to each audience when setting up ad sets. You're ready to launch and continuously optimize. Create separate ad sets per audience with clear budgets and bidding. Use lowest cost or target CPA depending on goals. Once live, monitor ROAS, CPA, and CTR. Run a /B test on creative, copy, and offers weekly. If performance lags, first verify the pixel records events and audience size is sufficient. Also confirm attribution settings and conversion window, sometimes switching windows or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.